What's up, YouTube? Rose back again, and this time I'll be bringing to you same house I brought to you from the first video I had, which is Alexandria Fragrances, and this is just going to be a first impressions of a few fragrance the company was gracious enough to give me, and for me to just smell and let you know how I felt about it. Just letting you know that because they did give it to me, this is going to be my honest opinion, and I will not change that. All right. They did send me a 30 ml sample of the Egyptian King's fragrance, and also they sent me a sample pack of 7 different fragrances, also from the house. Package smells really nice. I don't know why I'm always saying that, but I don't know if they just spray a nice fragrance on there, but it smells really good. Hopefully one of those fragrances actually is in the package. And maybe that's the one that I'm smelling. Okay. So when you buy a sample pack, the sample pack will come like this. It comes with 7 different fragrances in it. And it goes for like about $50 on the Alexandria Fragrance website. It only has about 9 mLs, not 9, sorry. It only has about 5 mLs in each of the vials. But it does give you a nice, like first impressions. Like it's you get to smell it, you get to know if you like the fragrance or not. And if you do, you could buy the 30 ml or the 60 ml, and if you don't, then at least you have a nice little sample. All right? So I'm gonna go over these 7 fragrances first. I have yet to smell them. First time I'm actually even taking it out of the package. All right? Ooh. Something smells good. I don't know. It smells like something. Now they're taking it out. It smells like something I've actually smelled before. I just can't put my nose on it. Interesting. Okay. All right. So the first one I'm gonna do a first impressions on is the Bleu Memoir. What is it? Memoir? See that? No, but still, either way. Anyway, so this is what the first one is gonna be. All right, Bleu Memoir. Yeah, Memoir. Is Memoir? That's how you spell Memoir? That's funny. Memoir? That's how you spell Memoir. Wow, I sound like an idiot. I'm being like an idiot online. Anyways, so this is what it is. All right, Bleu Memoir. All right. This one I actually know what this is trying to replicate. It's gonna be replicating the Bleu de Chanel, okay? And that one I actually know what it smells like, so at least I get to tell you if it actually smells like the actual fragrance. Right. Damn, it popped out good. Trying to get it dry down a little bit. Well, I don't know. It kind of smells like Bleu de Chanel, but it's just a little bit off to me. I don't know. I like it, but it didn't hit that spot for the Bleu de Chanel for me. It smells good though. I like it, but just I don't know, something about it. I think I'm trying to compare too much to the Bleu de Chanel, and that's kind of messing up my interpretation of it, but it does smell really good. All right, the next one here is Brasilia. All right, and this one I'm gonna be spraying over here on this arm. I'm probably gonna run out of space before the end of the video. Whoops. Whoop. All right. This is supposed to be replicating like a Creed fragrance. Could be a Ventus. Has a very strong pineapple smell. Smells really good too. Very strong pineapple though. I mean, it's not a bad thing. Like normally, like all those fruity scents, it's like more of a female type of scent, but it has like a manly flair to it. So it smells really good. I like it. Brasilia. All right. Next one here is Citron Del Mar. This one I actually did ask for, but I don't remember what it was trying to replicate. Okay. I don't even know where. Okay. Ooh, there's a nice smell to it too. Very strong citrus smell. Like a nice like spring type of fragrance. I mean, it smells like laundry detergent a little bit too. It's like, yeah, it makes me feel like I just did laundry and I'm like sitting there smelling my own laundry. I don't know if you smell it too. I don't know, but this was reminding me of laundry. Anyways, very strong citrus smell. I don't think that's a scent for me really, but it smells good. Personally, I think so. All right, this is one. Is that Agar? Agar? All right, this is the next one here. I'll try to run through these samples a little bit quicker. Oh, that one. Let's see, smell that. Smell it. Oh, here. It hits your nose, right? It hits you. It says like very alcohol smell. Like it smells like alcohol, right? Like a strong like. Yeah, like a alcohol. It smells like aftershave. That's what I'm getting from. Are you getting aftershave? I don't know. Like an aftershavey type of smell. I mean, I don't know. This doesn't smell like aftershave to me. I'm bugging. Anyway, that's what it smells like, aftershave. All right. Next one, Arabian Forest. Right here. This one here, I can only imagine what it's gonna smell like. I better get some like woods and like I feel like I'm gonna get like some woods. Like if I feel like I better feel like I'm like running through the woods or something. Something natural, something nature. Yeah. This is one of those scents that reminds me of like the Tom Fords, like the Tuscan leather or something like that. I mean, it's not a leather smell, but it has that strong burst of. I like it. It's nice. It's different. That's what I just mean by the Tom Ford. Like the Tom Ford scents when it comes to that, they're just very different. This one, yeah, it's different. Smell that. You don't like it? I feel like it's one of those scents that, you don't like it first, and after that, people tend to like it right afterwards. Because that happened with a whole bunch of fragrances I've had, where you just hate to smell it initially because it's so pungent to the nose. And after that, it just comes back and it's just like, oh, wait a second. I actually like that. Let me go with it. All right. Anyways. Next one. Alexandria Kingdom. I'm assuming that this might be an original from the company. But let's check it out. Put it over here. Let's put it over here. Damn, this reminds me of something too. It has like a very alcohol opening. I mean, that's not something I personally like. I hate that. It always makes me feel like I'm at a barbershop or something. And that one isn't for me personally. Yeah, it's not for me. Yeah, I don't know. It just hits the nose in a way that's just like, I don't know. All right, then we have this one. This better be a strong one. This one is Monarch. Like the name. Ooh. On these little samplers, the sprays are not the best. I mean, it gets what you get your fluid out, but it's like you're trying to like force it out sometimes, and I don't like that. Sometimes, you know, if you just press it and it goes, that's great. But this one is like, you got to be playing around with it a little bit. Actually, I'm going to spray it one more time because I don't think I got enough. Okay. What is that, like peppermint? It's not peppermint. It's a nice fresh scent. Like, it's not strong actually. It's like a faint smell. Yeah, it's not like an overpowering scent at all. Like, it just smells like something very chill. Like, you're not trying to make a, you know, like you're not gonna go out there and make like any type of big move or go out and offend anyone with the smell. It's just something very nice and chill. I don't mind it, but I actually like my scents a little bit more out there. And then this one here they sent me, which was the Egyptian King. And this one I actually really want to try. I like the name too. You know. All right, so here we go, Egyptian King. All right. All right, now I'm gonna find a spot for this. I don't know where we're gonna spray it. At least you know with these ones, the atomizers are a lot better. Sorry. That thing went down my damn throat. That is a strong one. It's like baby powder? I don't know what to think about that. What the hell? It smells like... I don't know if it is like a medicine taste, like smell to it. Smell that. It smells like medicine. Is it like a medicine, like, is that medicine to you?
No.
It has a weird smell. Like, there's like a smell underneath the smell. Like, you know what I mean? Like, well, I feel like the more you smell this, the more you're gonna like it. Because I actually like it now. At first, it's like, I swear there was like a smell underneath. I was like, what the frick? This smells weird. Huh, right now I like it. It's like a bit of sweetness underneath it. Still not very powerful scent though. This is like something just for a chill night out or something. Cause right now it smells like a baby powdery type of scent that's just gonna be like lingering on your skin, but nothing that's gonna be like projecting too far out. You know, something that people will like if it comes and like hug up on you or something. But right now, no. You smell it from over there? See that? You smell it? Wait. I thought it would have been smelling stronger on my arm. Oh, so maybe it's stronger than I thought then. She said she could smell it from all the way over there. So maybe it's projecting a lot further. Maybe it's just all these other fragrances on my skin that's like blocking it up. But like I know from the initial spray, it just disperses. But afterwards, it seemed like it just kind of chills out a little bit. She said she could still smell it. I don't know if it's from the initial burst, but definitely from what the initial spray, that scent is like poof. It just explodes everywhere, and it smells good. But afterwards, it seemed like it just dies down quickly. Yeah, it seemed like it dies down quickly. It doesn't really stay with you. But I like it. I like the extra sweetness to it at the end. And so guys, that was the last one from Alexandria Fragrances. I thank them again for sending me a couple samples to share with you guys. If you do like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. I will be back with you probably in a few days or so to give you another, fragrance review. And have a good night.